I create a lot of YouTube videos. I've created 1.2 thousand YouTube videos, and I'm always being told I should go back and update my thumbnails because it's going to increase the viewers. But I don't want to go back and update 1.2 thousand videos with high quality thumbnails. How much time are you spending right now updating thumbnails, creating thumbnails, coming up with the idea for your thumbnails? It's good. It's great practice as a YouTuber, but do you have the time? Are you a content creator or are you an artist that's focused on other things? This is why I built the new agent for generating thumbnails. I've got a YouTube thumbnail generator. And now you just click one button on this agent and it's going to analyze my YouTube channel to identify a video with strong content but low click-through rate that needs thumbnail improvements. Create an eye-catching brand-aligned thumbnail, Ghiblified in style, with clear focal points, minimal text, and high contrast colors, and then upload the new thumbnail to YouTube. So it's going to do all the work for me. It's going to go onto my YouTube. It's going to find all the new videos that I put out. It's going to generate the image for me, and then it's going to update that YouTube. I did one button click, and now I should be hands off. We can see in this case I have not connected my account yet, so all I need to do is I'll click the Connect Account button. We'll connect my YouTube account. You're going to see that we have not fully verified the Google app yet, and so you still have a little bit of a warning flash while we're certifying the full app. But now you're getting to see the full login. You sign in with your YouTube account. This is what gives the AI agent access to be able to update your YouTube videos when it finishes. Now I'll just say try again. And now it continues with the conversation. Hopefully it's able to continue here, but just to show you how it ends up looking after this, let's check. Cool. So now we're logged in. So now that it's logged in, it looks up your channel. And then after it gets your channel, it gets all your videos from your channel. And then it starts the image generation process. You can see here it pulled my latest 50 videos from my YouTube channel directly. And now it's going to go in and it picked a video specifically that it wants to update because it's got 574 views, 5 likes. It could benefit from a more eye-catching thumbnail. So now it's generating that thumbnail for me. All I had to do was sign in, and now it's doing everything else for me. I had wanted to show an example that I already had up. So here's an example that was done earlier. It's the exact same. This is the step we're on now of generating it. And then after it generates it, it sets the thumbnail. And so this is just making it so that all these videos that I have will eventually be able to get updated. I sent a screenshot here of it working. So here's an example of some of the videos that are now updated with the new thumbnail. It has generated the thumbnail, it updates the thumbnail, and it does it all. It does it all kind of automatically. I did have to sign in, so you do need to have a YouTube account. But if you have a YouTube account and you've already been putting out videos, you're the target audience. So it just finished generating the image on the fly over the course of this video, which is 3 minutes long. We now have our thumbnail, Ghiblified style. It even has the text in it. And now it's going to go and update the thumbnail of the video directly on YouTube. So that's it. That's this video. If you are someone who uploads your art and your work or your process onto YouTube and thumbnails is something you really despise doing like me and you don't want to spend hours doing it, come over here, use one single prompt, and you see we just updated the thumbnail in less than the time it took to watch this video of 4 minutes. If you got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.